Okay, what's up, y'all? You got Anthony, you got Brittany with the Eden Mandate LLC, Restoring Lives, one home at a time. Britt is up here for December. Today is December the 7th, 2020. And she is going to start making some calls for me on some tenant prospects that we have for the Clover Lane project now that we're at the very end of it. And so we're doing this training video. So as opposed to me doing some training. We do a one-on-one training all the time, but it's easier just to do a video so that she can refer to this and also that we can start sharing this video and sharing this content with other people. So at any rate, uh, so we've got, this is different from cold calling. So this is not cold calling per se. These are people who have actually gone in, found the property on Facebook Marketplace, Turbo Tenant, Zillow, Trulia, HomesForRent.com, whatever. And they have put their information in saying that they're interested in um, obviously viewing the property. So Britt's going to call. We're going to dial this number up. Ring, 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 ring. This is hello. Hey, this is Anthony from the Eden Mandate LLC. I'm calling in regards to your interest in the property at 1336 Clover Lane. How are you today? Oh, I'm doing fine. Yes, I remember putting my information in. What's going on with that project? Well, I tell you what, the project is coming to an end. We're definitely at the last few milestones of the project. It will be available for lease starting on December 15th. I was calling today to see if you're still interested because we sent you a message via the Turbo Tenant app and never heard anything back from you. Oh, yeah, well, I never did get it. Well, okay, that's no problem at all. Just wanted to know if you're still interested. Yes, I'm still interested, but just kind of want to know about the property details and whatnot. Well, if you check back on the Turbo Tenant website, ma'am, you'll see that we uploaded several more videos. We updated the video for the Clover Lane project. You can find that on our YouTube channel, also on our Facebook page, and then kind of you can see the before and after pictures and where we are now. But all the information there for the property is on our website and as well as on YouTube. Well, I like to come out and take a look at this property to see if it's worthwhile. Well, man, before we do that, we have a 5 question survey on Turbo Tenant that we're going to email you and resend it to you. If you don't mind filling that out, it's going to ask you, what the household income is. It's going to ask you if you got pets, do you smoke, yes or no. It's also going to ask you when your desired move-in date and one other question. If you want to do that, because we send this out to everyone just to make sure that we can pre-qualify them to make sure that it's a good fit for the prospective tenant, but also to make sure that the person qualifies for the property. Oh yeah, sure, I don't mind doing that, but I'd like to come see it tomorrow. Well, I tell you what, the sooner you can get that information filled out, the better. And then we can, after you get that information back, we'll run it through to make sure that you do pre-qualify for it, and then we can set a time for you to come see it. Okay, well, let's just say I come out there and I like the project, I like the property. What are the next steps? What do I need to do? Well, we have an application process that we ask all of our applicants and tenants to fill out. It's through Turbo Tenant. It costs $45, and what it's going to do is going to check your credit history, criminal history, eviction history. It's going to verify your income and employment, and it's going to ask you also to upload your driver's license, and it's also going to ask for landlord references, right? Because we just want to make sure that we don't set anyone up to fail. We don't want to put anybody in the property that don't have enough verified income so that if something does happen or part two of this pandemic does actually transpire, we don't want anybody to be in a position to not be able to pay their rent and take care of their family and household. And also, we don't want to put anybody in the property that has a history of evictions, right? Knock on wood, thank God, we've never had to go through an eviction process, and we really don't want to have to start doing that now. Okay, well, I understand. Well, I tell you, right now, my credit is not great. Well, ma'am, we don't really look at credit as the number one criteria. We have several different criteria that we looked at that I just named to you, credit just being one part of it. What we really care about is we have a solid family coming in there that don't have any previous eviction notices or eviction taken out on them. We want somebody that has verified income that we can know that is considered essential work, so that if the government and the economy does shut down, we want somebody in there that will actually be able to work and provide for their family while also making sure that they fulfill their financial obligations for the property. So don't worry about credit. They're like, okay, well, I understand that. Well, I tell you what, we're going to go send it over right now. Let me verify the email that I have for you on file. Is it abc@gmail.com? That's correct. Okay, man, we're going to send that out to you right now. And the sooner you get that back to us, the sooner we can schedule a property. I'm not a cheesy salesman or anything like that, but we've gotten a lot of interest on this property as we continue to put these videos and updates out across all the social media platforms. So if this is something that you think you're interested in, I wouldn't hesitate because we have several more people to call after we get off the phone with you. So no pressure at all. If it's something you're interested in, I wouldn't hesitate personally. All right. Well, I understand that. Well, thank you, man. But have a great day, and thank you again for showing interest in our properties. Please go on our YouTube channel and like and subscribe to that. So if this property isn't for you, that you'll be the first to know about other properties that we have. We'll be able to offer both lease and also lease to own, like some of our other properties. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate that. We'll let you go. Have a great day. All right. So basically, that's how the conversation goes. It's quick to the point. It's not a cold call because they've actually given us their information.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So basically, it's just Britt is a natural born seller. She's actually got better sales techniques than I have. I'm still very introverted. I don't really like talking to folks like that, but it comes real natural for her. So she should be pretty good at it. So what questions you got?
No, not really. You've already answered them. It was mainly just trying to make sure I figured out, what they was interested in, or when they was moving in, and what their expectation is.
Oh, that was the other question. Yeah, move-in date. Yeah, I think we said that. But yeah, good. That's it. Okay. And any questions they may have, you can point them right back. You can tell, hey, look, this is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom with a bonus room. Full attic, full basement property, fantastic bones, brand new everything. Brand new roof, brand new windows, brand new plumbing, brand new electrical, brand new HVAC system, brand new stainless steel fridge, microwave, dishwasher, stove, brand new cabinets, resurfaced floors, brand new French door, brand new insulated garage door, brand new everything. So that's pretty much how that goes.
Gotcha.
All right. Cool. All right, y'all. And if y'all like this kind of content right here, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on TikTok. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn. And we'll be putting out more and more of this content with my new administrative assistant / social media content manager coming at you. We're coming at you all across all social media platforms.
Yes, we are.
All right, cool. Let's get at it.